Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about derivative. So now I will show you how to answer. About the first one, we have the formula in here. We can apply about the power rule of derivative. So we have y equals to x to the power of n. So if I do first derivative of this one, we have nx to the power of n minus 1. So we apply this formula in here, and you got about first derivative of x to the power of 2. We have this one in here. Now we need to change n into number 2, and we have number 2 and number 2 in here. 2 minus 1, we have number 1. So we can simplify like this. First derivative of the square root of x, we have 1 over 2 with the square root of x. And this is the final answer. Question number 2, we can apply about the product rule of derivative. That means if we have y equals to ab, now if we do first derivative of this one, we do first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by a. So we can apply the formula in here, and that is about first derivative of x to the power of 3 multiplied by cosine x plus first derivative of cosine x multiplied by x to the power of 3. So we apply the same formula in here, and we have 3x squared. First derivative of cosine x, we have negative sine x, and this is the final answer in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.